Hi, I'm Camielle Donaghey, and this is my story, How Many Water Balloons, which aims to support the teaching of the Year 1 content descriptor, Count Collections to 100, by partitioning numbers using place value. It was a hot summer's day, and Jen and Sam were keen to have a play out in the yard to burn off some steam. Here you go, said Mum. Water bombs are really fun. There's enough here for you both as you play out in the sun. There were 100 in the bag when I bought it from the shop, but we used some last week, so make do with what we've got. Hooray, thought Jen, her hands full and ready to go. I'll beat Sam, I've got heaps of water bombs to throw. Sam had 12 balloons and made a fortress by the back door. Jen counted hers and had 6. Oh no, Sam had more. Hey Sam, said Jen, you've got 12 bombs. How would you write that number? I know it has a 1 and 2, but then I start to wonder. Well, said Sam, there's a trick to working out which digits to write where. The number of groups of 10 you have is the first digit to share. Next, count how many remain once you've removed the groups of 10. That's the second digit. You write it down then. When I count, I find there is just one group of 10. Then I count the extras. There are 2 of them. The number 12 is made up of one group of 10 plus 2. Writing it is easy when you know what to do. Wow, said Jen, you're really smart. I like how you do maths. But watch out, Sam, something's coming for you, and it's a giant splash. Suddenly, little sister Sue showed up with a handful more. She joined Jen and added 9 water bombs to their store. Wow, said Jen, now we have a lot more water bombs in our supply. Do you know how to write the number, which digit goes where, and why? So students, we're going to pause the video here for a moment so that you can circle the group of 10 and the ones and write the numbers down in your worksheet of how many balloons are in this picture. So think about how many groups of 10 there are and how many more besides the group of 10 to work out which number to write. And now have a listen to Sue's thinking. Well, said Sue, I count just one group of 10 from the total that we've got. So a 1 goes in at the tens column. But what about the ones spot? Count what is left over. You'll see it equals 4. That's how many ones you write, no less and no more. The girls are really smart working out place value with tens and ones, and there are other ways to do it now that we've begun. You could try using written form and write the word 14, or show the parts which make it up. 10 plus 4 is what I mean. Writing the words in tens and ones is another way to show the place value of number 14, a handy thing to know. All of a sudden, some balloons burst, splashing water on their faces. Ha ha, Sam cried, I can get you with my balloons from 20 paces. But then their mum emerged with some good news for the girls. 10 more balloons to fill with water and at their brother hurl. Jen said, yay, one more group of 10 balloons to add to our supply. Sue, how would we write the number? Let's give it a try. Okay, so we're going to pause our video again now, students, just for a moment while you complete the second entry in your worksheet. Count the groups of 10 and the remaining ones to write in the number that's up on the screen. Sue said, well, I'll count how many groups of 10 we've got, and after that what is remaining goes into the ones spot. Sue counts 2 groups of 10, so she writes a 2 first. Then she counts the extra 4, 24 water bombs for them to burst. Then rapidly, Sam's throwing goes into overdrive. He threw balloon after balloon. He didn't want his sisters to be dry. The girls fought back. They started launching water bombs at their brother. He got soaking wet and looked like he should take cover. Stop, cried Sam. I surrender. Just tell me what to do. I've had enough. I'll share my remaining bombs with you. So as the last hurrah, 6 bombs were split between the 3. 2 each they hurled at one another, all smiling with glee. And I've included here the handout that students would receive to complete in conjunction with the video. The first 2 problems feature within the video, and the final questions would be completed once the video is over.